Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify a card on Google Pay, also known as Google Wallet. Verifying your card is an important step to make sure your payment method is secure and ready to use for purchases. I'll go through all the common methods step by step, so you'll know exactly what to do. First, let's start with the most common method, the SMS or email code. Your bank will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone or email. Once you receive it, open the Google Wallet app and enter the code when prompted. This is usually the quickest and easiest way to verify your card. Next is the phone call verification method. In the Wallet app, you can request a call from your bank. During the call, the bank will provide you with a verification code. Once you get the code, enter it in the app just like with the SMS or email method. Another option is to verify through your bank's app or website. In this case, Google Wallet will redirect you to your bank's login page. Sign in and approve the card addition. This method is secure and ensures the bank itself confirms your identity. Sometimes, your bank may use a temporary deposit or statement code. This means you'll see a small charge on your account, usually something like $1.95. That charge will contain a 6-digit verification code in the description. Simply take that code and enter it into the Google Wallet app to complete the verification process. If you run into trouble, there are a few things to check. Make sure your contact information with the bank is current, such as your phone number or email. Check your bank statement or transaction history for a pending charge or code. And if none of that works, contact your bank directly. They can help you complete the verification safely. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to verify your card on Google Wallet and start using it for purchases without any issues. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.